Welcome to the Workshop Hero How-To series. I'm Brian Fuller, and we're going to show you how to take the work out of your workshop. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Okay guys, we're the folks from Workshop Hero. We have a product on your shelf called Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. And today we're going to go over the product, tell you a little bit about it, and show you how it works, and also give you some really good examples of some parts that we've de-rusted with Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. So what is Metal Rescue? Metal Rescue is a water-based, non-toxic rust remover bath. It's not acidic, it's safe on your skin. It's safe on paint, plastic, rubber, and chrome. It's also safe on the environment, meaning it's eco-friendly and biodegradable. There's no fumes, no odors. Metal Rescue is safe on everything except rust. All right, now the fun part, how to use Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. So it's very, very easy. There's 3 simple steps. Number 1, you soak your part. Number 2, you check your part. And number 3, you rinse and dry your part. So we're gonna start off with number 1, which is soaking your parts. So we'll take a plastic container, just like this. As we said, it's safe on plastic. So we're gonna put our part in the Metal Rescue. Now, as you can see, take a good look at this. There's a lot of rust on that part. It also has wood, and there's some dissimilar metals here. It looks like there's brass on there. So you just simply want to drop that in the container. Take Metal Rescue. You want to make sure that you have the part completely covered. And you can see as I have my hand in the solution, it's very, very safe. Won't harm your skin at all. And it's that easy. Just let it soak. So step number 2 is check your parts. Metal Rescue soak times range anywhere from a half hour on lightly rusted parts up to 24 hours on heavily rusted parts. Metal Rescue is temperature sensitive, so just be aware of that. We have a temperature alert on the back of the bottle, 68 degrees and above. The warmer it is, the faster it works. All right, I'm gonna pull the part out. It's been about 12 hours, and as you can see, it's nice and clean. All the rust is removed, and also didn't harm the wood here. You can see the brass is real clean. So now we're gonna go to the 3rd step, which is rinse and dry. So here's some great examples of some parts that we've de-rusted. We've got a trailer hitch here, and you can see along the edge here, the paint is still intact. So it keeps the paint intact, doesn't harm the paint at all. We have a trowel here. As you can see, we have de-rusted. Pretty heavy rust here, nice clean surface area here. Also with the barbell that we've got here, pretty heavy rust, left the paint intact. One of the key benefits of Metal Rescue is that it is reusable. You can use it over and over again. So why recommend Metal Rescue over other rust removers? Well, let's take a look at another rust remover here. We've got a rust dissolver jelly. Now, if you look at the back of the label, it contains acids, used with gloves, and used in a well-ventilated area. Well, with Metal Rescue, you don't have to worry about any of that. Unlike acids, sandblasting, abrasives, and rust converters, Metal Rescue is safe on skin. It's also safe on metal surfaces, rubber, plastic, vinyl, and dissimilar metals. Although acid, sandblasting, and abrasives eventually remove the rust, Metal Rescue is the only non-toxic, biodegradable, and reusable product. So simply put, Metal Rescue is the safest, cleanest, easiest way to remove rust and corrosion from your parts. Metal Rescue is safe on everything except rust. However, there are a few exceptions. Metal Rescue is not safe on magnesium or magnesium alloys. Also, because Metal Rescue removes iron oxide, paints that contain iron oxide may be affected or removed. If you're unsure if the paint on your part contains iron oxide, test a small area first before soaking the whole part in the solution. If you have any other questions or you want to learn more about the product, you can go to our website at www.workshophero.com, or with a smartphone, you can scan the QR code on the back of the bottle. This is a great tool to use to answer any questions you or your customer might have in the store about Metal Rescue. Once you have scanned the QR code, it'll take you to a short video explaining how to use and the benefits of Metal Rescue.
Thanks for picking up that bottle of Metal Rescue. Obviously, you are a tech-savvy person. You got your phone, you scan the code, and here you are at the video. Look, if you're still in the store, just grab the bottle of Metal Rescue and dump it in the basket. This stuff is amazing. My name is Brian Fuller. You may have seen me around in shows like Overhauling, Hot Rod TV, Two Guys Garage, and I've made an entire career for many years out of removing rust and cutting them out of vehicles. But guess what? My job just got a lot safer and a lot easier thanks to Metal Rescue. And let me show you why. This is a water-based rust remover bath. So all you do, you put your parts in, you let them sit for 6 to 24 hours, and the rust slowly dissolves and goes away into the water. Now it's safe on paint, safe on chrome, safe on rubber, basically safe on everything but rust. And now when you're done, you can reuse it, put it back in the bottle, and you can use it up to a year, depending obviously on how much rust you've removed into the solution. It's eco-friendly, so when you're done, simply pour it out, there's no problem. Now remember in the old days, the respirators, the corrosiveness, the work, and as a metal guy, I have a lot of cuts in my hands, and you can imagine what acid has done to me over the years. No more. This stuff is so nice on your hands, it's a beautiful thing. Now if you've already bought Metal Rescue, and you're watching this, and your parts are sitting, and you got nothing to do, go around the website. We've got some great how-tos, some demos, some testimonials. I think you'll really enjoy the site. Metal Rescue, less work, more play.